The most useless question about studying is how many hours will I have to study? Cal Newport, assistant professor of Georgetown University, wrote a book named Deep Work. You can check the book. Probably he has the knowledge to tell us how to study as he had studied from MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, one of the best institutions of the world. In his book, he states that work accomplished is equal to time spent into intensity of focus. The time spent depends upon you as much as you can give. But the intensity of focus should be full. The motive should be upon the intensity of focus. According to Carl, people work in two types: deep work and shallow work. Deep work, the intensity of focus is full, while in shallow work it is nearly to zero. So, we all know mathematics, so by the formula, we can find out that if the intensity of focus is zero, how much time you study, work accomplished will be zero. And in nowadays, deep work is the most rarer thing. Also, multitasking leads to distraction. So, to do deep work, we should follow the following things. We should do the study with intense focus. We should always keep our mind only on studying, nothing else. We should keep the distractions away from us while studying, and we should study for an extended time period. Not like this that I will study 5 minutes for deeply and then I will do something or that. For example, we can see Bill Gates. In 1974, he was doing a programming on the first version of BASIC, and he continuously did it for 8 weeks. When he used to get tired, he used to sleep on his place only where he worked, and that's how he became a billionaire. So I think you have probably understood that to concentrate on studies or anything, you need a motive or goal, and always study with full focus. Suppose you are in the middle of a desert and lost. One day passed, 2 days passed. You are dying of thirst. You haven't drank a single drop of water. At that time, you will even suck your own blood. Like that, if you want to grow in your life, you need to have a burning desire. If you observe your life very deeply, a man works for two things. One for pleasure and the second to avoid his pain. You have these two options in life and relate this to study. Enjoy the subject you like or study the subject in which you do not feel any interest. Our mind will obviously choose the pleasure, not the pain. But we know that without pain there is no gain. The pain makes future. As soon as your mind gets a motive, it provides its full efforts on that goal to achieve it. So, if you have the desire, if you say to yourself, I want to do something, nothing can stop you. Focus can change destiny.
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भर कर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाएं, कुछ कर जाएं। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। अपनी हद रोशन करने से